What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have a lot of good news to talk about because not only are things starting to move, but things are about to move too, which is really cool. Specifically, what we're going to be looking at is obviously XRP, which as you can see is moving already, Ethereum, which is starting to, we have Bitcoin, which is starting to, and the S&P 500, which is now back to, it's the highest point it's been in 2023, which is incredible here. My portfolio is only down 5%, which is also incredible, and we are getting very close to hitting all-time highs, which is also incredible. So there's lots of important things we do have to look at here. What I do think is funny is I made a video yesterday literally saying XRP Ripple holders, literally any minute now we are about to pop. And I think what's funny is some of the comments completely doubting me. This is in yesterday's video referencing that we're going to see a breakout today, literally any minute now. And you can see we have everyone in the comment section laughing, which is funny. And it's funny because they didn't make money, which is funny. So what you're saying is we'll dump, so on and so forth, that we're about to bust, tired of hearing this, da-da-da-da-da. Tomorrow, you're going to say, sorry, I was wrong. I think this was the funniest one. This was yesterday, and I was referencing that today we are going to see a break. And you can see here, tomorrow, you're going to say, this is wrong. Well, if we check out XRP today, you can see this is the most volume XRP has seen today than we've seen in probably the past, literally since June 14th. So it's been over 2 weeks. This is the most volume. And if we talk about bullish volume, probably the most volume we've seen, we could go back all the way till the beginning of June in regards to a run to the upside here. We haven't seen volume like this in a very long time. Honestly, we've shot up over 5.5%, and it's only 11 a.m. in the morning here. So it's incredible, but we called this breakout, and here it is forming here. So I'm super excited. Buying opportunity could be today, so I am excited for that too. We'll have to see how this week goes because, as you guys know, July 4th is in 2 days, so we'll see when they close the stock market if it's going to affect cryptocurrency in any way. But with that all being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as you can see, top 10 cryptocurrencies, we're not doing too bad. You can see we're only at 0.1%, but some of these cryptos are actually starting to swing. You can see out of all of them, it's really XRP that's up 3%, Litecoin's up 5%, but really XRP is the one that's up compared to all the other ones that we've been talking about today. So it's nice to see finally some movement moving into the markets here. Yesterday, I made a video talking about how we are about to burst. I hope you are ready, talking about the fact that we are so close to the line that a breakout is going to happen here. You can see we pretty much drew, I don't know where it is, but I did draw a very... Yeah, here it is. The consolidation that's taking place right now within XRP here. We zoomed in. You can see this is it. That we're filling in the gap. We really don't have a decision left. We don't have time left. This is what I was saying in yesterday's episode, very specifically, to a T in yesterday's video, that there is no time left for XRP to just keep floating sideways. And a pump is going to happen within the next 24 hours. And as you can see, literally just a couple hours later, this is what took over. So we closed last night below here with no decision. You can see we filled in the last possible day of consolidating within this downtrend and the moving average here. You can see the last possible day, we had all these days of breaking off this resistance, and for the first time in a very, very, very long time, since the start of this, which can go back all the way into June, we have never broken above here, and today it has. And there's a good chance, granted, we have wicked above it in the past here, we have, that we are going to close today above here. It's possible. We have to not discredit the fact that it is possible we could collapse and correct back down to 45 cents. That is a possibility, but more than likely, XRP is going to be closing where it currently is. You can see we are very much so above here, and there's a good chance we're going to close above not only the yellow downtrend here, but the price ceiling at about 48 cents here. So keep your eyes peeled on this market here, because I'm a firm believer that we are going to be closing above 48 cents. And I said if we close above 47, this downtrend, it's an aggressive buy you could take advantage of, or if we close above, you can see here, I want to delete this here. If we close above the green band right here, the price ceiling at 48 cents, that's the opportunity to buy in and long to the upside. And as you guys can clearly tell, that looks, at least in my eyes, what's going to happen here is closing above exactly where we are. So the pop has happened here. We're exploding up. I'm very happy. And if we close where we are today, it's a good chance this is going to lead to even more movements to the upside, because as I've shown in the past here, this is not the first time it's happened. This is 1, this is 2, and then here is number 3. So I'm excited to see the results of this, and we are going to be buying in. I'm going to be buying in literally tonight had we close exactly where we are. So I'm very excited. Things just need to stay at a constant, and we'll be doing good. Obviously, we'll be doing this trade on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. It's that simple. This is the opportunity. Literally tonight, if tonight we close exactly where we are or higher, then I will be buying in long on BidFi, as you can see, because BidFi offers XRP, which not many exchanges do. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, everything you could possibly think of, long and short. They offer XRP, which not many exchanges do. They even have a demo account. So if you want to sit this out, or you're new to trading cryptocurrency and you want to test, how I believe my trades will go, and I believe this is going to be a long position, and if we can close anywhere above 48 cents today, which I think we are, then I'll be putting a trade in. You can do that on the demo account using 100K Monopoly money to test your skills, and if all goes well, you'll be making money on the simulator, and you can see, hey, if I can get 5 or 6 trades in a row, good. 10 trades in a row, good. On the simulated account, there's a good chance my 11th one with real crypto might do well. But you can kind of gauge your skills and where you are before you actually start putting money up, which is really cool if you ask me. I'm also noticing an interesting kind of uptrend forming here on XRP. It's a little too early to tell, but there is definitely an uptrend that I'm going to leave on here and see kind of where this wants to start going. But you can see how we're kind of teeter-tottering off this. So this is interesting. I'm going to draw this in blue just for now so we can see. But we are starting to see this uptrend. I'm seeing it on, you can see XRP on BidFi as well. If I start drawing trend lines, you can see the downtrend is a little bit harder. There might not even be one, to be honest with you. It seems a little bit too out of the blue here. Something like this, but more than definitely there's an uptrend here, that's for sure. That's more positive and solid than the downtrend, that's for sure. So definitely make sure to check out BidFi. The best part about BidFi is they do offer up to $2,888 completely free by signing up at the link down in the description below. So make sure to take advantage of this down in the description below. And moving forward onto Ethereum here. You can see Ethereum, we've managed to buy in for an aggressive trade here. We have been floating inside this channel for a very long time, and finally we broke above it. So if we can hang out still above this resistance here, then hopefully we can continue to head up higher, because I also believe that we will be breaking out from the descending flag that has been forming on Ethereum for a very long time. We finally started to trade above it, so I think we're going to be heading up. Same thing goes with Bitcoin here. We're waiting patiently. Bitcoin just broke out of its symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour here. We could probably extend it longer, but we're inside a massive downwards flag. You can clearly see that. And what I'm looking for is a break above price ceiling 31K for us to buy in and long. The only weary part is the fact that we are nearing overbought on Bitcoin's daily charts here. That is a huge sign of consolidation, correction, that honestly probably needs to happen before we head up higher. But I'm still very bullish on XRP. We'll have to see how XRP closes tonight, but I'm very bullish on it. And Ethereum, we just have to kind of, see how that goes. But lastly, looking at the S&P 500 here, Friday did an incredible thing, closing us above the last one. I'm shocked we went this high, but yet again, we're now battling overbought. So I think it is necessary that we pull down. I just think it's necessary. Luckily now, if we pull down, we won't go to 42. We might pull down to 42.50. So it is good in that sense. The longer we hang out here, the softer the blowback will be when we fall to the downside. But I think it is very necessary that a correction takes place before we head up any higher. And that's my 2 cents. But with that being said, that is it for today's video. Definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.